Hello, I'm Douglas Panyares of Filipino Homes. Amazing, much less, incredible. A two-story house subdivision is on the fourth floor of the 20-story resort condominium, where homeowners have a private car park right in front of their units, and they have an exclusive elevator. This condo house subdivision is separately gated for the exclusive 8 homeowners of this condominium, only found here at BE Residences Lahug, ideally located near Cebu IT Park, Cebu City. Hurry, while this fully furnished 3-bedroom is still available. Contact Douglas F. Panyares. Email dogpanares@gmail.com. Phone 63915-842-6920. See my YouTube channel. You can private message me at Facebook. Thank you and God bless.